How to add a watermark in MS Word. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a watermark into your MS Word document. So as here you can see, I have this Microsoft Word document right here, and in this video I will show you how to add watermark into this document. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this design tab over here. Once you'll click onto this design tab, you can see these following options onto the ribbon. Now from here you will need to click onto this watermark option under the page background. So simply click onto this watermark button and you can see this dialog box that appears here. Now it consists of different types of designs for the watermark, like this one which says confidential, and there are some other directions on which the confidential appears, and then there are different text as well which says do not copy, sample, asap, urgent, etc. Now let's say if you want to add these texts to your watermark, then you can do so by simply clicking onto them, and here you can see that confidential watermark has been successfully added into your document. But let's say you want to personalize your watermark and name it something else. So in this case, what you can do is simply go to the watermarks again, and then from here you can click onto this custom watermark. So once you will click onto this custom watermark, you have these options. The first one is a no watermark, the second one is a picture watermark, and the third one is a text watermark. So if you want a text watermark that contains the text as per your preference, you can choose the text watermark, and then you can choose the language. And once you are done with the language, you need to type in the text in this text field. So let me type a quick watermark text like, let's say, agreement, and then you can choose the font using this drop down arrow. So you can choose any font that you want, and then you also have the size which is currently set to automatic. Then you may also choose the color of the watermark as well, and after choosing the color you can also choose the layout, which is diagonal like this or horizontal like this. So let me choose it to diagonal, and then I will need to click onto this apply button. And here you can see, once you have clicked onto the apply button, you may click onto this OK or close button, and here you can see that a watermark has been successfully added to whole of my document according to my specific needs. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.